Here we are, Aire River. That's the campground to that side and over the other side somewhere. Pretty dirty water. Better go find our campsite. Well, this is our two sites right here. How good's this? And we've got a fisherman here just filleting some beautiful bream he's just caught there. Got our own fireplace. Just waiting for the other bullfed to come, and he got lost somewhere up in the hills up there. Here he comes, finally, with the big Grand Duke luxury resort, and I've just got the crappy little tent here. Progress report on the campsite. Still a bit of work to do, but nearly there.
Yeah, they're good little alternatives to swag.
Here the girls.
It's good. It's good.
Just in time to cook dinner.
I'll leave this
See you, mate.
Come on, someone's got to cook.
Need some night vision, but here we are, the girls by the campfire. Ray doing the dishes.
Because you said that, yeah, possibly.
The water in the background there. We might have a night fish. Beautiful campsite. Here we are towards the river entrance. Out of a 20-minute walk from the campsite. Bought a fishing rod for a bit of an explore. Gee, it's low. Beautiful area. I want to get down to the mouth there and have a bit of a fish and just see the waves.
This is his wife, everybody.
Here we go, just flick the little lure in, and what have we got? A tiny little salmon by the looks. Little baby Australian salmon. The lure is nearly as big as it. There you go. Well, off he goes. Okay, as a start, that's pretty messy. The girls are settled in, so now it's time to get the hobies out and hit the water. Finally made it out in the hobie. Heading towards the river mouth, but just waiting for the other bullfed, and I'll flick a lure for a little while. Spoke to a couple of other fishermen, and not much happening unless you get out on the rocks. A guy got about 30 sweep up there, but it's not what we're after, so we'll just explore a bit. Yeah, look at this, that is the smallest salmon. Yep, bait. Oh, we got another little fish on. Probably the same size. Yep, look at that. Another one. Okay. I'd love to get a decent sized one of these because they go like the clappers. Here we go again. Another little one. Another little salmon, I'd say. Let's turn around a bit. Centimetre longer than the other ones. Off you go. Well, this is a different sort of fishing than what I'm used to. Got the rod out here. Bit of manpower and a beer in hand, and I'm freezing freaking cold. Here we go again. Bloody small salmon. About the only thing I can catch. Hello. The bullhead's onto something. What do you got?
For lunch?
I don't want it, no.
Eh?
No, I won't eat it, no. I'll have sausages. I think my lure might be a bit big. That's in amongst them. There we go. So it's not a big fish, but on this very light gear, little salmon, I'm sure. Oh, don't get off, don't get off. Oh, there he goes. There we go, not a bad little salmon. Something double that size would be a lot of fun on this light gear. Yeah, look at that. There we go, we're on again. So the same size fish. Ooh, a bit more pull in this one. Nice little channel just here. The bait got dragged into there anyway. There we go. Same again. Maybe smaller. Off you go. Toilet block. We've got some walks to do if you're really keen at 12.5 k's. Yeah. Where is he? Oh yeah, there he is. Look. You can see him in that.
Oh.
That's a different one.
Because did you see the one here?
There's another one here.
Oh.
Oh, here.
Hello, you beautiful thing.
He's looking at us.
Hello.
G'day, buddy. Alright, back in the kayak, going upstream now for a bit of an explore. Lots of small salmon and bream around apparently, but we haven't caught any bream. I think this goes right up to, joins the Great Ocean Road somewhere up here. There we go. I'll chuck a lure out and just troll my way down there and maybe have a bait fish when we're down there. Pretty weird little setting, like I'm on a different planet here. This is not the fun bit. Went for quite a way upstream, did not see a fish or any sign of a fish. So heading back towards camp, into the wind, My chicken legs working overtime. There must be millions of these little suckers. Oh no, you just lost an eyeball. Sorry, mate. Oh, another one. There we go. Yep, off. Good. I love this little flashy lure. The last evening with the camp, we've nearly run out of wood, run out of water, run out of food. So perfect timing. And we just had a fox walk straight through the camp here.